So this is room 8480 on the Carnival Venezia. It is a premium balcony room. This is a room that I received from the casino department. This is a complimentary cruise for us, premier cruise. So I'll give you a quick tour of the room. This is a little bit different layout. So on the other side of this wall, there's a crew stairwell. So the room, instead of being like a typical balcony room, it has this hallway. And then there's two closets here. Another set of closets here. We got a bunch of stuff all over the place. And a set of closets here along with the safe, and then 3 drawers. And then I'll just turn so you can see the hallway. 3 shelves, vanity, bench, and then back here there is a Euro outlet, 2 US outlets, 2 USBs, and then most of the stuff that we have is running off of these USB. I have an extender. This is a portable HEPA filter that I keep, that I travel with now, just because of all the respiratory stuff and ickies. So it cleans the entire room. It does about a 200 square foot room, so works really well. This is the refrigerator. These refrigerators are really good on this ship so far, so nice and cold. There is no seat in the room. There's just a table, and then this is a view. We're actually not all the way aft. We're right next to aft, which I'll show you shortly. But this is the bed. So the layout of this room is that the bed faces the wall, which faces the ocean when we're traveling, so it's lovely. Magnetized walls. This is 2 side tables here, and then on the side that's next to the bathroom there's a USB, and then this is the restroom. It has glass shower, pretty good size actually. It looks a little small, but in actuality it's quite large, so we've been very happy with it. This is a 9-day cruise, and we're actually in the sister room to this, which is 8485. This is a port side room. 8485 is a starboard side room, so we'll be in that room in May. So very excited about that. And then this is the balcony. So it's huge. There's a deck chair here, and then the wraparound goes right there. And then that's the terraza area down there. And then that's my husband. There's enough for 3 more seats over here and a bench. So it's pretty decent sized balcony. Cons to this room are light. So when the sun is coming up in the morning, the light is not great coming into the room. So we used our towel clips to clip the towel or clip the curtain shut, and then I used a magnet to clip this this curtain here against the wall because there's so much light that comes into the room in the morning. It's a little off-putting, but other than that, that is it. Walls are magnetized. Door is slightly magnetized, not great though. So I had to use command strips for this trip. But all in all, it's a really nice room, really beautiful ship. It's actually, we've decided this is our favorite Carnival ship. It's absolutely beautiful. The layout's a little choppy, which is a con, but the how pretty the ship is like overrides all of that. So anyway, this is Carnival Venezia, room 8480, premium balcony. When we're in 8485, I'll do another tour of that room. That's going to be in May. So but we've got a couple more cruises before then, so there'll be other room tours as well. All right, thanks so much.